Gardening in the 21st century has evolved beyond simple spades and rakes. The introduction of cutting-edge technology, automation, and smart systems is revolutionizing how we interact with nature. For those passionate about maintaining their green spaces, these gadgets not only save time and effort, but also enhance the overall gardening experience. Let's dive into the top innovative garden tools and gadgets of 2024 that are reshaping the future of gardening. Number 10. Very, the AI gardener. In a world where artificial intelligence is impacting nearly every industry, it was only a matter of time before it entered the gardening space. Very, the AI-powered robotic gardener, is a technological marvel set to launch in 2024. Equipped with the latest ES1 AI model, Very autonomously handles a range of garden tasks, including leaf blowing, hedge trimming, and tree pruning. What makes Very stand out is its modular design, allowing gardeners to attach different tools to its arms based on the task at hand. Whether it's a blower, trimmer, or pruner, Very adjusts effortlessly. The robot's legs are designed for versatility, enabling it to tilt and adjust height based on the terrain, ensuring precision even on uneven surfaces. The ES1 AI model is adaptable, meaning that it could be used in other robotic applications beyond gardening. While Very isn't available for purchase just yet, it's expected to launch by mid-2024, signaling the future of smart gardening. Imagine a beautifully maintained lawn, with Very working tirelessly while you sit back and relax. Number 9. Flo Hive, the beekeeper's dream. Beekeeping is a rewarding yet labor-intensive activity, requiring special equipment to extract honey without disturbing the bees. Enter the Flo Hive, a revolutionary beekeeping system that allows honey to flow directly into jars without needing to remove hive covers or use smoke. Designed and crafted in Australia, the Flo Hive has already sold over 50,000 units worldwide, including in challenging climates like Alaska. It's made from high-quality Araucaria wood, using precise laser cutting techniques. The magic of the Flo Hive lies in its simple yet effective mechanism. You turn a key that separates the honeycomb, allowing honey to flow effortlessly into containers. Once done, you just turn the key back, and the bees get back to work. This beekeeping solution costs around $893 for a 6-frame hive. Though it might seem expensive, it saves time, energy, and eliminates the mess typically associated with honey extraction. Plus, it offers a humane approach to harvesting honey without disturbing the colony. Number 8. Maxbit, drill-powered hole digger. Digging holes in the garden can be back-breaking work, but the Maxbit simplifies the process. It's an attachment that transforms your regular drill into a gardening powerhouse, allowing you to dig perfectly consistent holes for planting. The Maxbit is available in 2 diameters -10 cm and 15 cm, ensuring that your holes are the same depth and have flat bottoms, a feature ideal for planting bulbs or saplings. The tool is compatible with most standard drills and works well on a variety of soil types. For smaller garden jobs, the 10 cm Maxbit is priced at $30, while the larger 15 cm version costs $40. The tool is perfect for gardeners looking to save time and avoid the physical strain of traditional digging. Whether you're planting flowers, trees, or even fence posts, Maxbit delivers consistent results every time. Number 7. Gardena Combus System Scarifier, lawn health made easy. Maintaining a healthy lawn requires regular care, including removing dead grass and debris and loosening the soil for better oxygen flow. The Gardena Combus System Scarifier is designed to handle these tasks with ease. With a 32 cm working width, this scarifier is perfect for clearing lawns and enriching the soil. The Combus system allows you to attach the scarifier to a 180 cm handle for comfortable use, ensuring you don't have to bend over or strain your back. One of the major advantages of this system is its durability. Gardena backs it with a 25-year warranty, ensuring that the tool is built to last. Though it costs $85 without the handle, its ability to rejuvenate your lawn and improve grass growth makes it an invaluable tool for any serious gardener. Number 6. DAR Burn Cage, clean and efficient waste disposal. For gardeners dealing with large amounts of waste, the DER burn cage provides a more efficient and environmentally friendly way to burn garden debris. Traditional burning methods using old barrels often result in inefficient burning, excessive smoke, and flying ash. The DER burn cage, priced at $350, is designed to combat these issues with a perforated stainless steel structure that promotes better airflow. The burn cage can hold up to 229 liters of waste and can reach temperatures of up to 871 degrees Celsius, ensuring faster and cleaner combustion. When not in use, the cage folds up easily for storage. This tool is ideal for anyone looking to manage large amounts of garden waste without the environmental impact of traditional methods. Number 5. Whiptecpio. Eco-friendly seedling protection. Gardeners who are passionate about sustainability will appreciate Whiptecpio, a biodegradable seedling protection system. This innovative system shields young plants from animals, pests, and harsh environmental conditions while encouraging healthy root growth. Unlike traditional plastic protectors, Whiptecpio is fully biodegradable and breaks down within 3 years, depending on environmental conditions. This makes it an eco-friendly solution for protecting your plants without contributing to plastic waste. Available in sizes ranging up to 60 centimeters, Whiptecpio is also incredibly affordable, with a pack of 10 priced at just $8. It's an easy-to-use solution for gardeners who want to balance plant protection with environmental responsibility. Number 4. Wolfgarten ZMV4. Tree trimming without strain. Trimming tall branches used to require a lot of effort and often a ladder. The Wolfgarten ZMV4 system, however, simplifies tree maintenance by providing a telescopic handle that extends up to 4 meters. Attach the Wolfgarten R840 loppers, and you can easily trim branches up to 4.6 centimeters thick without ever leaving the ground. This tool saves both time and effort while ensuring safety, as you no longer need to risk climbing up ladders. The ergonomic design also reduces strain on your body, making it easier for you to maintain trees and shrubs in your garden. The ZMV4 system is a versatile solution that can handle everything from routine pruning to more demanding tasks. Number 3. TerraTech Market Gardening Cart. Power in motion. For serious gardeners and small-scale farmers, the TerraTech Market Gardening Cart is a high-performance tool that makes transporting materials around the garden a breeze. Its tubular frame can carry up to 150 kilograms of load, making it perfect for hauling soil, plants, or even tools across large areas. The electric-powered version of the cart includes a 250-watt motor that can operate for up to 6 hours on a single charge, at speeds of up to 5 km per hour. While the cart's price tag, $2,265, may seem steep, its durability and convenience make it a worthwhile investment for large gardening projects. For those managing extensive plots of land, this cart is indispensable for cutting down on physical labor and improving efficiency. Number 2. The Little Burrows, the ultimate garden caddy. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. The Little Burrows Caddy is an accessory designed to fit on top of most standard wheelbarrows, providing extra storage and organization for your gardening tools. It includes compartments for gloves, hand tools, water bottles, and even a smartphone, which is protected in a waterproof compartment. This clever design makes it easier to keep everything you need at hand while working in the garden. With its affordable price and practical design, the Little Burrows Caddy is an essential accessory for gardeners looking to stay organized and efficient. Number 1. Suitcase Cinema. Outdoor entertainment in your garden. Gardening can be tiring, and after a long day of work, what better way to relax than with a movie under the stars? The Suitcase Cinema is a compact portable projector that brings the big screen to your backyard. Featuring an 8-meter projection range, a 4,000 mAh internal battery, and a 15W Bluetooth speaker, this projector allows you to enjoy high-quality entertainment outdoors. For extended movie nights, the Suitcase Cinema also comes with an external 42,000 mAh battery, ensuring you won't run out of power during longer films. The $851 price tag might be a bit steep, but for anyone who enjoys outdoor movie nights, this gadget is a perfect addition to your garden setup. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or an old favorite, the Suitcase Cinema brings the magic of film to your garden. Thanks for exploring these incredible garden tools and gadgets with us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting garden tips and tech reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening!